Okay, we're back. Chapter 21, Quiz A, question number 6. We've read the prompt a couple of times, but I've left it up here just for you to reference. Let's take a look at question 6. Describe to management an advantage and a disadvantage of using a 1% alpha level of significance instead. Well, in question number 5, we learned that the level of significance previous to question 6 was a 2.5%. So our level of significance previously was 2.5%. That was our alpha level. Okay, so now they want to talk about what would happen if we change that to a 1%. Well, that would be a decrease in our alpha level. Or a decrease in our significance level. So let's just talk about alpha and beta for a minute. Alpha is the probability of a type 1 error occurring. Beta is the probability of a type 2 error occurring. Just take a moment and look over here at this visual, and please pay attention to this vertical line. If the alpha level decreases, that means this vertical line would move to the right, okay? If the alpha level is decreasing, the vertical line would move to the right, which would, if the alpha level decreased, this vertical line would move to the right, which would mean my beta level, or my type 2, the probability of committing a type 2 error would increase, and the power of the test would decrease. So let me say that again. If I decrease the alpha level, if I move this vertical line to the right, I would be decreasing the alpha level, which would increase my beta level and decrease the power of the test. Okay, so keep that in mind when we answer this question. So describe to management an advantage and a disadvantage of using a 1% alpha level of significance instead. So one more time, if I decrease my alpha level, I'm decreasing the probability of a type 1 error occurring. I'm increasing, because as this line moves to the right, this area is going to increase, right? So I'd be increasing the probability of a type 2 error occurring, and I'd be decreasing the power of the test. Okay? So to answer this question, one advantage would be that management would be less likely to conclude the incentive program was effective if it were really not. Okay, again, we know we would be decreasing type 1 error. A disadvantage would be the test would have less power, right? If we decrease alpha level, we get less power. There'll be less of this region, okay? The test would have less power to detect a positive effect of the new incentive program. Okay? So hopefully you can clearly see as you decrease the alpha level or the significance level, you're decreasing the probability of a type 1 error, but you're increasing the probability of a type 2 error, and you're decreasing the power of the test. I hope the picture helped, and I hope you understand the answer in context of the problem.